In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Capcut. Now, zooming out is particularly useful when you want to get a broader view of your video, or if you need to fit more content into the frame. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up Capcut if you haven't done so already. Once you have Capcut up and running, go ahead and load the project you're working on. If you're new to Capcut, projects will be on your home screen. Just tap on the one you want to edit and it will open right up for you. Next, locate the video clip on the timeline that you'd like to zoom out. You'll easily find the timeline feature at the bottom of your screen. It's a chronological display of your videos and edits, allowing you to make precise changes. Once you've spotted your video clip, tap on it. This action is crucial because it selects that specific clip for editing. Now this is where a bit of finger work comes into play. On the preview screen, you'll want to use two fingers, place them apart initially and then pinch them inwards together. This pinching motion effectively zooms out, allowing you to see more of your video within the frame. Take a moment to adjust. You might have to try this a couple of times to get the hang of it. Once you've zoomed out to your liking, you might find that the position of your video isn't quite where you want it to be. No worries here, you can easily drag the video around inside the frame with just one finger to find the perfect positioning. Make sure the most important parts of your video are centered or aligned according to your creative vision. After you've adjusted the zoom and the positioning, it's time to lock those changes in. Look for the checkmark icon. It should be easily visible in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap that checkmark to save your changes. This is important because it ensures all the edits you've made are secured and won't disappear when you go back to keep working on your project. And there you have it. You've just zoomed out on a video frame using Capcut. This simple method can vastly improve the visual impact of your projects by providing more context or improving the composition. Don't forget to play through your video to make sure everything looks just the way you envision before moving on to the next edit. If you need to make further adjustments later, you can simply revisit these steps. Thank you for tuning in and happy editing on Capcut.